Well, here we got a 1931 Ford Tudor, T-U-D-O-R, not two doors, Tudor. This actually, you can see it's got the Mustang 2 suspension up front. I think that's what that is. So, I'm not sure, you know, what's in it. You know, obviously if it's got that changed around, well, obviously the interior's had different seats. So this might be a body mounted on a late model frame, I'm assuming. I don't know what's in it though. But that's smart because, you know, the car for all its intents and purposes is the old car. And, you know, if you got a real antique original, especially a non-rusted, I mean, you're never going to drive that thing. You can drive this sucker all over the place. It's lowered, so it's going to handle good on a highway and stuff. Good to go, man. Built Ford tough with Chevy stuff. Oh man. Built Porsche. You know what? I'm sure that saying's been around a long time, but I've never heard that. That cracked me up. Built Ford tough with Chevy stuff. Good one.